Trying to take control of your finances? Today we're reviewing the Everydollar budgeting app, including whether the paid upgrade is actually worth it. With a solid 4.7 rating on the App Store, it's gaining popularity, but is it right for you? Let's get started. What is Everydollar? Everydollar is a budgeting app created by Dave Ramsey's team. It uses a zero-based budgeting method, meaning you plan where every dollar goes before the month begins. What's free? The free version lets you manually create monthly budgets, track your spending, and set financial goals. It's simple, clean, and perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into structured budgeting. What's in the upgrade? The paid version, Everydollar Premium, adds features like automatic bank syncing, customized reports, and priority support. It also includes access to Financial Peace University and Baby Steps coaching. Pros and cons. Pros, user-friendly, backed by a proven financial strategy, great mobile experience. Cons, premium plan is pricey and some users prefer more customization or investment tracking. If you're just starting out, use the free version for a month. Once you're consistent, consider upgrading, but only if you actually use the extra features. Everydollar is a great tool, especially if you follow Dave Ramsey's method, but you don't need to upgrade unless automation and reporting are important to you. If this helped you decide, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical reviews. See you next time!